Hello, today I thought I'd be sharpening up my Bushmaster Cobra Strike Machete. Got out my sharpening kit. I also will be using Hops number 9 gun oil. I put oil on my stones. We'll start off with my little stone. During that chopping test, I wanted to see how the factory edge did, and it did pretty good. That's how I set a like I would with a pocket knife. I just used the stone to drag it along the blade because of how long it is. After I'm done using that little stone, then I go to my marbles stone. Now, I did go back to Bud Cat, kind of see what kind of steel this machete was, and all it said was just stainless steel on it. And try to figure out how to pronounce it right. Brong or Brang, I'm not for sure how to pronounce it. Brong or Brang style. Now I move to my little finer stone. And now I move to my honing stone. Feeling pretty good. Then after I usually do that to make sure it shaves hair or anything, I'll put it back on the honing stone. And I just take my cloth I have that I use to sharpen my knives, wipe off all the oil and kind of any excess, just kind of wipe down the blade. But that's the first time I've ever sharpened this machete. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and leave your comments if you'd like. Subscribe to this channel and share this video. And thank you. May God bless you.